everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have got a haul for you here from CRAFTYFOX251. If you've not heard of her, she is a lovely lady called April who has a shop on Etsy. She sells a massive range of nail art products, jewellery, arts and craft bits, resin pieces. She has got a bit of all sorts on there. She's recently added a hell of a lot of really cute items onto her shop, so I couldn't help myself but place a little order. So that's what I'm going to show you all today. I will leave all the details for her shop and her Instagram and everything else all in the description box if you'd like to check it out. But yeah, other than that, let's dive in and have a look at all these goodies. So first of all, look at this. It's hollow. It says thank you for your order. And then on the back it says, to Sammy, thank you for your order. I hope you enjoy it. Love, April. Kiss, kiss. She has also put in a business card for another business from one of the girls called Messing with Resin. It's a lovely lady called Tracy who runs this business. She has been creating some really pretty bits with some resin. I've been watching her videos on TikTok and she's got such a wide variety of products and they look really nice and they are really affordable as well. As you can see here, she has got her own website and then she's also got her Facebook and Instagram, and like I said, she is also on TikTok, so I'll leave her details in the description box as well if you'd like to check it out. But yeah, like I said, some really nice resin bits from her, so yeah, definitely would check them out if you haven't already. Okay, so this time round I have only got one bag of glitter. I've got most of the glitters I think from April now. They're all really nice, but this one in particular caught my eye. It's called Dazzling Mustard and you can see why, because it really is the colour of mustard and it's just sort of got a gorgeous iridescent shift to it. It's just a fine glitter, but I just don't have one this colour in my collection, so I definitely had to go ahead and buy it. But yeah, I really like that. Next up we have got this little pack of multi rhinestones. So they're all the same size, but they're a mixture of different colours. These are really good for just like practicing with. These are really nice, they're quite nice and sparkly. They are just plastic crystals, but they're ideal for just practicing with, you know, when you're sort of doing nail art on like your practice hand or on some fake nails sort of thing. I just wanted a little variety of random colours that are quite small and diddy, so I couldn't help but grab these. And then we've got these really cute butterflies. I don't have any butterflies like this. I really love this little tub that they come in as well. And it just lifts off like that. It's really nice, but you can kind of see there like really 3D looking butterflies, and they're really realistic looking as well. I got one out of the packet there to show you, but they are like raised wings. So they sit sort of raised up. Oops, like so on the nail. They're really cute though. I couldn't help myself with those. She had another type of butterflies as well. But yeah, I just really like these. I thought they were so nice. And yeah, I love that little top they come in as well. And then we got these. I'm so excited about these. Okay, so pop the lid off there so you guys can get a bit more of a close look. These are little bears. I bought some bears off AliExpress before and they were quite a bit bigger than these. I actually expected these to be bigger, but they're actually really small, which I'm really happy about. Like, that's not a bad thing, because the other ones that I got from AliExpress were a bit too big. Like, they did fit in a nail, but I think these ones are definitely better because they're really cute and diddy. But yeah, they're literally just like little gummy bears. They are so cute. I like that variety of colour as well. So I've got 5 of each colour, but I'll give you guys a little bit of a closer look. How cute are they though? I'm seeing quite a lot of people using gummy bears in their nails as well at the minute. They're certainly becoming more popular. So yeah, I can't wait to use these. I think they're absolutely adorable. Okay, so next up I have got some striping tape. I really like striping tape, and this striping tape is so different and so unique. So I've got 3 different sizes and each one comes with 6 colours. Yeah, 6 colours. They're all the same, just different sizes. They're like mermaid sort of striping tape. So you've got like a greeny one, a blue one, a yellowy sort of orange, a pink, a purple, and maybe a deeper purple. It's very hard to see because they're iridescent, so the colours sort of shift a bit. But they're really nice. So I've got like large sort of wider ones. Try not to crinkle the wrapping too much. Sort of medium ones. And then cute little thin ones. But yeah, I really like those. I have a lot of striping tape. I mean, I have a lot of striping tape, but I don't have any like these. So I'm really, really, really happy about these. I love striping tape because it can really add to a nail sometimes. It can be a bit fiddly, but it can also add a lot to a nail. And, you know, rolls of striping tape will last you forever. I very much doubt you would ever get through a whole entire roll of striping tape because there's just so much on there. I love the stuff, but yeah, I love these. They are just absolutely adorable. And then I have bought every single colour that April has now. Unfortunately, she didn't have any green, so I've gone and ordered the green elsewhere, but otherwise I have got these in every single colour you can imagine from April. They are little gummy bear earrings. I absolutely adore them. I've got red, I've got blue, I've got yellow, I've got black, purple, and now I've got white, orange, and 2 different types of pink. And then, yeah, I ordered some green ones as well because I just love them so much and I had to have them all. I know they might not be to everyone's taste, but I absolutely adore them so much. And I'm well happy that I've got them in every single colour now. They are just so cute. But yeah, they're literally just little gummy bear earrings, but she has some really, really cute jewellery on there. And yeah, I've bought quite a lot of her jewellery now because I just love them. Look how cute they are. They're absolutely adorable. And yeah, I'm well chuffed with my little collection of gummy bear earrings. They are so, so, so adorable. And then April, being the star she is, she has chucked in a couple of little extras for me as well. So she has sent me these rhinestones, which are jewel tone rhinestones. They sort of shift between pink and green. They come in many different sizes. She does sell these. But yeah, I've got extra large ones like that one there. And then they go as small as this little baby one right there. Yeah, you get a right little mixture, and they're really beautiful rhinestones, aren't they? See the shift on colours on them. See, I really like those. Thank you, April. And then look at these. I didn't see these on the shop, otherwise I would have bought them. Look, how freaking cute are they? I love these. You see these sort of scaly things? I've got some round ones with exactly the same pattern. They're a different colour, but I bought them intending to use them on nails, but they're a little bit too big for nails. But they just look so pretty, and yeah, I love this with the turtles with that. It looks so pretty, and I'll definitely be wearing these. I think they're so adorable and just so pretty. I love them. I really do love them. So thank you so much, April. And then we've got these ones as well. See, she knows I love my cute little jewellery. First of all, I really like the gold hooks on these. I've been quite enjoying gold jewellery lately. Like most of my jewellery, I'd say, is like silver coloured. But I don't know, I really do love the gold ones. They just look a bit more fancy, and I feel like it just, yeah, they just look really nice, don't they? But they're like these little swirly things. Do you know what these remind me of? They remind me of flumps. I don't know if you get flumps anywhere else, but here in the UK we have flumps, which are just like marshmallows, and they look like this, and they're quite long, and they're literally about 20p or something. But yeah, they just remind me of flumps. But they're just, I will wear these as well. They are just so cute. I absolutely adore them. Just so fun and different. Like, she's got a lot of unique, fun and different stuff. Like, yeah, I really like those. They look really sweet. And they look really well made as well. But yeah, thank you, April. Then last but not least, look how cute these are. Oh, they are so, so, so sweet. They're little bears, and they're covering their eyes with a little crown and a little bow. Oh, they're just adorable, aren't they? I will definitely keep purchasing earrings from April for sure. I think it's one of my favourite things she sells. I've literally got so many pairs of her earrings now because I truly, utterly love them, and I wear them all the time. I've had a lot of compliments on the gummy bear ones. I've had a few people be like, have you got gummy bears in your earrings? Like, yeah, I love them. Yeah, I'm obsessed with all the cute little earrings. I just think they're adorable, and I do wear them most days. So thank you so much, April, for adding a couple more extra pairs in for me. I really do appreciate it. They are like my favourite thing ever. So look at that cute little selection of earrings. They are just beautiful. But yeah, that is everything for today. I know this video has been very short, but I didn't want to drag it out for ages. But yeah, I really love everything. I have done quite a few videos now on April's shop. She really does sell such a wide range of all sorts of different bits and bobs. It's all really nice, really good prices. And yeah, you guys will absolutely love it. I will link all my videos I have done previously down in my description box. April does also have a YouTube channel herself, which is called CRAFTYFOX251. I will leave that link in the description box. She has been uploading videos too. But definitely be sure to check her out. You guys won't be disappointed. There is such a lovely range of products. There's more to come. She's constantly putting new products on the website. And yeah, you guys got to be quick. Go grab your hands before they sell out, because her things are absolutely adorable and I love it all so much. I'm literally so happy about her friend. These gummy bears though, like, I've been wanting something like these for ages. I didn't even know they did ones this small, but I've been wanting to get gummy bears. Like, the other ones I got are probably about, I don't know, about that big. There was sort of like ones that size and ones that were sort of slightly smaller, but they were huge in comparison to these. So I'm absolutely made up to see the size of these, because they're just going to fit on a nail so beautifully. But yeah, she has got some really rare and unique products, and like I said, very good prices. So I will leave all details in the description box anyway. But yeah, anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And other than that, I hope you'll have a great day whatever you're doing. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!